Most people think the internet is wireless, but Wi-Fi only connects you to a router. The real internet starts after that. Your router sends data into a cable. That connection reaches street fiber lines that serve entire neighborhoods. Inside fiber-optic cables, internet travels as pulses of light, carrying video, messages, and everything you do online. These signals reach data centers, where networks connect, traffic is routed, and data gets directed to the right destination. If your website or app is hosted overseas, the data must cross an ocean, and that happens through undersea cables. Undersea cables begin at landing stations near coastlines. From here, the cable runs underwater across continents. Special cable-laying ships deploy these lines. The cable is released carefully, guided and tested as it's installed. Most of the cable simply rests on the ocean floor, quietly transmitting huge amounts of data every second. When cables break, often due to anchors or fishing, ships lift the cable, splice it precisely, test it, and lay it back. So your data didn't travel through the air across the planet. It traveled as light through fiber inside undersea cables.